self-induction is the property of the coil by virtue of which it opposes any change in the strength of current by inducing an EMF. Or self-induction is the property of the coil by virtue of which it maintains the current by inducing an EMF. इसी तरह की एक प्रॉपर्टी हमने पढ़ी मैकेनिक्स में, इनर्शिया, और हमने कहा कि inertia is the property of a body by virtue of which the body opposes any change in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line. The body tends to maintain the state of the body. अब यहाँ क्या है? सेल्फ इंडक्शन इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कॉइल बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ विच इट अपोजेस एनी चेंज इन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ करंट. Self-induction is the property of the coil by virtue of which it maintains the current in the coil. So this property is analogous to inertia. So a self-induction is called inertia, electrical inertia. चलिए मैथमेटिकली पढ़ते हैं इसको. Let the coil consists of n turns, n closely wound turns. And let phi is the magnetic flux linked with each turn of the coil when current I flows through it. So n phi magnetic flux is directly proportional to current I. Proportionately sign को हटा करके constant introduce करते हैं L. L is L is called self-inductance of the coil or the coefficient of self-induction of the coil. L is a measure of inertia of the coil against the change of current through the coil. चलिए find out करते हैं rate of change of magnetic flux d by dt of n phi equal to L into di by dt. Rate of change of magnetic flux is, this is equal to induced EMF. A negative sign shows that the induced EMF opposes the cause which produces it. This is also called back EMF because it opposes any change in the current in the circuit. Physically, self-inductance L plays the role of inertia. It is analogous to mass m in mechanics.